Good afternoon and welcome to Riverside County Regional Medical Center and Right Sourcing's monthly meeting. My name is Maria Bolanos. I'm a Senior On-Site Program Manager for Right Sourcing. Today we'll be discussing a change in staffing. Right Sourcing is your vendor management system that provides your temporary agency staff. Right Sourcing went live in 2012 here at Riverside County Regional Medical Center. Our CRMC's mission is to provide quality care to all patients and families that seek care here at the hospital. Right Sourcing's mission as your vendor management system is to provide you with quality, qualified clinicians to take care of those patients and their families. Over the last 3 years, I believe that we have worked together in a partnership to accomplish both your mission and our mission. With recent changes to healthcare, hospital systems have needed to find ways to save money to stay sustainable. With the recent Obamacare, hospitals have needed to take care of a lot more people. With those changes, everybody is required to have insurance. With everybody needing to have insurance, hospitals have seen a huge change and have seen a lot of people that have needed assistance. We are proposing to change from an 8-hour work schedule to a 12-hour work schedule. By making this change, Riverside County Regional Medical Center will be able to provide a continuity of care to their patients and their families. This is important because this will ensure that patients are being properly taken care of around the clock. Instead of having a different set of teams, it'd be from having 3 different changes in shift to 2, so that'd be 2 nurses, 2 doctors, 2 patient care assistants to take care of the patients. This would be a good change to make. Second reason is a reduction in overtime. A 12-hour person would replace another 12-hour person. Right now, it has become increasingly difficult to find coverage due to vacations and call-offs. Also, instead of paying someone time and a half to stay over for a 12-hour shift, employees will be paid their 12-hour shift at straight time. Third reason is a reduction in employee call-offs. With a 12-hour work schedule, employees will be able to plan their schedules accordingly. Employees will not need to call off because they were denied their time off. Employees will also be able to have input in their schedules so they can plan their lives accordingly because, let's face it, life happens. They'll be able to attend their child's play or attend a doctor's appointment with their child or their family member that otherwise they might not be able to do if they're working an 8-hour shift. Our on-site team is here to help. We have John Henry and Angela Morales and myself. We have been your on-site team for the last 3 years when we went live in 2012. We have built a relationship almost like a family. We celebrate birthdays and we celebrate everything together in the office. We'll have office parties, birthday parties, and we'll basically laugh together like a family. The cost of implementation is roughly around $980. The cost would cover time and material to create and distribute the schedules. We would also need to give notice to all employees that would be affected by this. We also need to have meetings with the unions, which we can help you with that, so they can also be aware and be on board with this change. I feel that by building a partnership with them as well, they would be on board so that we can make this change and transition as smooth as possible. Should you have any questions regarding this proposal, my team and I are here at any time to assist you. I can be reached at 951-486-5128, and I also have my business cards and pamphlets over here at the table. We'll also have my on-site team help distribute those pamphlets if you have any questions or you need further information. We are here to help you at any time. We also have refreshments, sandwiches, and punch And we also have coffee if you would like anything after our meeting. If you have any questions, please do not hesitate to contact me. My number and my information is on the pamphlets. And thank you for your time and your partnership. And I look forward to working with you in the future.